Hello, this is Jim. Fat Cat Market Garden, 90 degrees, August 30th, Zone 7. I make videos of garden, bees, edible nursery stock, ornamental nursery stock. This beehive here might swarm. They're probably crowded in there. I'll try to get to them tomorrow morning before it gets hot. I've been behind on doing my upkeep on my bees because I haven't had the use of my right arm for a year. But little by little I'm getting myself back together. So I do videos like this of what's happening day to day of my bees, my hives, and my overgrown nursery and garden here. I have nursery stock in here that I could use my arms for about 2 weeks this May, end of May, June. Sort of use my arms. I planted some specimens in here, and because I couldn't weed, they just went over. I couldn't spread the wood chips. And I have blueberries down in here that are overgrown, and they're light-colored plants. And down below, I have raspberry and goji berries, and another hive down there. And most of my other hives are over here. So, yeah, it's been challenging. I have a neighbor down there taking a tree down. And when he moved in, he had a lumber company cut a tree on the corner property, and mostly on my side. I had a fence up. They tore the fence down, drove the logging trucks over. That was sort of discourteous, I guess, to say the least. So, I'd like to get 100,000 YouTube subscribers, views. That's what I'd like to try for. There's chickens over there. There's some fruit trees I have to do major pruning on. Some asparagus right down there that got weeded in. And right down there's a little pond, drainage pond, I suppose. And that's a low area, actually a floodplain. I've done some videos on that before. I'm not really trimming the whole thing. I'm not draining the whole thing out, but I am going to sort of contour a drainage ditch through it. I have a couple of eagle mounds in there. Well, that guy's loud up there, isn't he? Got his chainsaw going. Now, I have some specimens in here also. I got to take care of a little bit. Some hydrangeas, climbing hydrangeas, 9-bark or forsythia. I have some regular comfrey right there and some horseradish in there. Out behind it's out there is a who mound. Of course, I have cannas a lot of different places around. So I'll leave you a picture. Oh, here, this is me. This is how do you do? Like I said, it's 90 degrees and hot. But, yep, I'll leave you with a video, parting shot of the beehive. I hope I straighten out tomorrow morning. That's just not bearding. They don't have enough room in there. All right, thanks folks for taking time to look at this. I'd like to get 100,000 subscribers. Hopefully I can do it. Okay, good luck with your gardening. This is Jim signing off.